Hello everyone, welcome back to the menu driven program. Now we have left here to define a display method for department wise. So here I am not passing anything, that's why this method takes none as the DPT value, and if it is none then we are getting this list. And here if we are passing the value which is not equals to none, then it will be filtered by this record. So let's see if this logic can be totally changed. If I put this value here like this, else okay, not necessary. Now here we are going to provide the two options to the user, whether he wants to display with the department wise or all list of employee. So same choice variable we are using, and we are going to take the input by posting the message. I will type the message here, print like what you want, and the option is, first I will put some extra slash in. First choice, list all the employee slash n 2 dot list for selected department. Now enter your choice slash n to the new line. Now the choice will be given by the user. So if the choice value is equals to 1, then means we need to display all, and else if choice is equals to 2, then app dot we need to take the choice from the user for the department list. So already we have entered your choice for the department, so we are taking this value or complete this value, but we need to display the department here, so complete this value is required here also. So put it on the proper indentation. Yeah. So after selecting the second choice, a message will appear. Select the department name, and the list will be displayed to the user, and from those department ID he has to select that particular department ID. So here app.department list, we are checking whether that key exists or not, so they have to select the proper key that is listed in this department list. The loop will be get terminated after that. So we have in department variable the name of this department. Now I will use that department variable for calling this method app.display dpt. So Okay, now let's execute this so that we can check whether this choice to display functionality is working or not. So display by department keyword that I use will be display here, and display by all is this choice. Yeah, so let's see. Adding employee Pankaj, product department, salary 1. Adding one more employee Ravi, product department, salary 1k. Adding one more employee Amit, sales department, salary 1k. Now 2 for display. So after pressing that choice, again we are getting select what you want, enter your choice, select what you want, and list all the employee or list for selected department. So if I go for 1, then only last one is their ID, name, Amit. So I think something is not correct, or it's not going to store that record. So maybe something is not good here. Here we are adding the employee. So employee is added, and when we have added the employee, we have not increment. We have incrementing that value also, but we are not storing it. Okay, so that's the problem. Let's see now. It's not a good syntax. MP ID is equals to app dot last MP ID plus 1. I think this line should come here. So first it will get incremented master ID plus equals to 1, and then we are using that value here. Now let's see. First employee Pankaj, department 100. First employee Ravi, department sales. Add employee Amit, second department salary. Display all. So now here we have a list of all the employees. So we have 2 employees from product, 1 employee from sales. Now let's see for the second choice, and I want to see only product. So here I'm getting the list of employees related to product only, and if I want to see the list of employee for, let's say, sales, so only 1. And if I want to see here the employee of marketing, so the list is empty, but there should be a proper message for it. So you can do as an assignment task for adding a message, so that instead of displaying the list, we can display the message that there is no such employee for the marketing department. So this is the way we have listed tabular form, listed the employee in tabular form. Now we can define, we can go for another choice here. Say third choice, print 3 dot search. So next video we are going to look how to implement this search for searching the employee by ID, by name, and how to display those employee details. Thank you for watching.